How to do block blast glitch. First of all, head over to classic mode. Then you need to tap on the settings. Hot gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then you just need to replay again and again until you get a 4 block row. Now what does it going to look like? This is how it is going to look like. You need to place it to position like I am doing here. Basically on the bottom right corner of your board. Once you place this, place the other blocks wherever you want, but make sure to not disturb the right side of the board. Then you must going to get the 4 blocks row. Again then you need to place in a position like so. Then place other blocks in a position like this. And there you have it. The glitch has now started. Place it like this and place it in a position like so. As you can see, I am getting the 2 set of 4 blocks row again and again. And this is how this glitch work. One thing to keep in mind, that this glitch only work on iOS device. And that's it. Flock, you are now equipped with the secret to getting incense square in Block Blast. If this trick worked for you, hit that like button and drop your new high square in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn off your notifications so you never miss another gaming hack. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.